Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, we're going to teach you how to remove a member of your workspace on Slack. So, very quickly, what we want to do here is this is our a workspace for Tech Help Guy. So, let's say this is your main interface. What you want to do here is go here on the upper left corner of the screen, click on this arrow down button right here. From here, slide down and go to Tools and Settings. Then from here, click on Manage Members. From Manage Members, just click on the member that you want to deactivate, or just click on the member right here with the three dots, and then simply click Deactivate Account in order to remove his membership from your workspace. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.